Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to OPPO A18. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. To do that, tap on the same options on both smartphones. I will start with OPPO. Hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on Samsung, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Receive at the bottom between Send and History of your OPPO device. When you're done, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung if it's not already on, and use all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a couple of times to access those files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you can choose one of those options to connect. In order to use this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on OPPO. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my data was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!